Hi everyone. In this session, we are going to do Pythagoras theorem and some special right triangles. And we are going to learn the three most important things which you have to remember while you're doing special right triangles, and which most of them get confused when they are in exam. So, what are the three most important things that we are going to learn first before we're going to do the questions? So the three main important things that you have to remember before you do special right triangles are: the first one is, I'm going to just turn back. The first one is the Pythagorean theorem. So you see that the Pythagoras theorem states the sum of squares of the lengths of the legs equals the square of the length of the hypotenuse, and it is given by a square plus b square is equal to c square, and the converse of that is also true. That's how it is shown. That's your leg, this is another leg. So you have a squared plus b square is equal to c square in the Pythagoras theorem. And the second most important thing which you have to remember when you're doing special right triangles is that there are two kinds of special triangles, that is 45 degrees, 90 degrees. So we call it as 45, 45, 90 triangle. In 45, 45, 90 triangle, the hypotenuse is root 2 times as long as a leg. What do you mean by that? For example, we have a picture. This is our triangle, which is 45, 45, 90. This is 45, this is also 45 degrees, this is 90 degrees. So whenever you have a 45, 45, 90 triangle, the hypotenuse is root 2 times as long as the leg. Whatever the length of your leg is. This is one leg, this is one leg. In 45, 45, 90 triangle, your lengths are equal. So always equal. Let it be x if it is unknown. If it is 1, so both of them are 1. So your hypotenuse is root 2 times the leg. Root 2 times 1, that's root 2. And here, if you say that it is x, then it is root 2 times x. So this is a special case of triangle, that is 45, 45, 90 degrees triangle, where your hypotenuse can be found by just multiplying the leg with root 2. That's it. Root 2 times your leg will give you the hypotenuse. Simple. So this is one kind of special right triangle, that's 45, 45, 90 degrees. So you just have to remember the hypotenuse is root 2 times as long as the leg. And it is also called as isosceles right triangle, that is 45, 45, 90. All right, we have the second special triangle. I have discussed with you the first two things which are most important for you in exam. Now the third special triangle, which is 30, 60, 90 triangle. What do you mean by 30, 60, 90? Because it looks like this. You have one angle 30 degrees, you have another angle 60, and you have another angle 90 degrees. So you have a 30, 60, 90 degrees formed. Whenever you have a 90 degrees, you have a 60 degrees, you immediately can say the last angle, the left out angle, is 30 degrees. So you have got a 30, 60, 90 triangle. It's a special kind of triangles, special kind of right triangle. This is special kind of right triangle, this is special kind of right triangle, two triangles. In 30, 60, 90, what are the two things you have to remember is the hypotenuse is twice as long as the shorter leg. Now here we are going to define there's a shorter leg and a longer leg, and it's very simple. The leg whose length is smaller is short, or shorter is the shorter leg, and the length and the side, or the length whose length is longer, is the longer leg. So hypotenuse is twice as long as the shorter leg. Here it was root 2 times any of the leg. Here it is twice as long as the shorter leg, and the longer leg is root 3 times as long as the shorter leg. So I'm going to show you here. This is your hypotenuse, this is your shorter leg, and this is your longer leg. So here, when you have 30, 60, 90 triangle, hypotenuse is always twice the shorter leg. This is your shorter leg. If it is x, then it is twice of x. And this is your longer leg. So if it is it is root 3 times of the shorter leg. This is your shorter leg. So always multiply this shorter leg with this shorter leg with this. But this is twice, this is root 3 times x. That's it. If you remember this, the special right triangles, you're never going to lose marks in special right triangles. And come on, let's do the questions on this. Okay. So here we have question number 1. In the figure above, if AD equals to BD, this is your AD, that's 2 root 3, the length is given to you, is equal to BD, this is the length, so that's 2 root 3, 2 root 3, both are same. What is the length of AB? So this is the length which they are asking us, and they have given you 4 choices. So you can pause the video, try it yourself, the 3 rules which we have studied, the 3 most important things to remember. The first one is Pythagoras theorem, second one, the other 2 are special right triangles, 45, 45, 90 and 30, 60, 90. So whatever you can apply here, and then you can get your answer easily. So here, as you can see, these 2 sides are equal. Then what comes to your mind first? That it is an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle always have 2 sides equal, and its base angles are always equal. So that means if this is 30 degrees, this is your base angle and another base angle. This is your base. If these 2 sides are equal, this is your base side. So the base angles are always equal. If this is 30, this is also 30 degrees. So we have got first step. Okay, now that is 30 degrees. What is the next step? What we can try out is the exterior angle theorem. Exterior angle says angle ADC. Now this is our exterior angle. Now it's very, very simple. When I'm going to say this, you're going to say, oh yes. Exterior angle states that it is equal to the sum of remote interior angles. That's it. What you have to do, you just have to add both the angles. 30 plus 30 is 60. This is your angle 60. That's your exterior angle theorem stating. Okay, so now the next step. You have a 60, you have a 90, and you have a 30. So you have a 30, 60, 90 triangle here. Exactly, that's 30. Okay, so you have a 30, 60, 90 triangle with your triangle ADC. Okay, so what do you say in 30, 60, 90 triangle? What did we learn? Here we have in 30, 60, 90 triangle, the hypotenuse is twice the shorter leg, and longer leg is root 3 times the shorter leg. So we are going to apply that. So it's twice, hypotenuse is twice. Yes, so AD is equal to twice of CD. So this is our AD. So I'm going to write that down. That's AD is equal to, our shorter leg is this one, CD. So that will be twice of CD, isn't it? And we have already got the value of AD. That's 2 root 3 is equal to twice multiplied by CD. So what is your CD? CD is equal to root 3. 2 gets cancelled out, or divide both sides by 2, so you're left with root 3. So your CD is root 3. Okay, so I'm going to note that down. So CD we have got as root 3. Okay, perfect. Now next thing, what you can identify in this is BC. So we are going to find out BC. This is the total length. That's just adding both of them. 2 root 3 plus root 3. So that will give you 3 root 3. So combine together. 3 root 3. And now the last step. So triangle ABC is also a 30, 60, 90 triangle. A, B, C. Now can you see this is 30, this is 90, and this total 30 plus 30 makes it 60. So again you have a 30, 60, 90 triangle. And what can you say? You have to find the hypotenuse. Yes. So how are you going to find the length AB? So first you know that BC is equal to 3 root 3. Yes, root 3 times AC. So I'm going to write that down. BC is equal to root 3 times AC. Exactly. So here, what is the shorter leg? First, you have to identify that. In this bigger triangle, AC is the shorter leg. This is the longer leg. This is the hypotenuse, isn't it? And in 30-60 triangle, we have seen that your longer leg is root 3 times the shorter leg. So this is your longer leg and this is your shorter leg. So root 3 times the shorter leg. That's what we have taken. And we already know what is BC, that is 3 root 3. So I'm going to substitute that. 3 root 3 is equal to root 3 times AC. So we are going to get AC. AC is equal to 3 root 3 divided by root 3, because I'm sending root 3 the other side, cancels out. AC is equal to 3. So you have got AC is equal to 3. CD is equal to root 3. So you're only left with AB. And AB is twice of AC. That's it. Your shorter leg. Twice of AC. And that's equal to 2 times 3. That's equal to 6. And your answer is 6. Okay, so let's try another question on this. Let's see if you can answer this. In triangle ABC above, BD is equal to root 3. Okay, what is the perimeter of triangle ABC? Now perimeter is really simple. Adding all the sides is called as perimeter. Okay, so here what kind of triangle do we have? We have been given 4 choices, so we are going to answer this one easily. In the figure, triangle ABD and BCD are 30, 60, 90 triangles. Yes, they are 30, 60 and 90 triangles. In 30, 60, 90 triangles, the hypotenuse is again the same thing. In 30, 60, 90 triangles, the hypotenuse is twice the shorter leg and longer leg is root 3 times the shorter leg. So we are going to apply that. So here, which is your shorter leg? And the longer leg is root 3 times as long as the shorter leg. So here in triangle ABD, we are going to consider this triangle ABD. And we're going to write that down. That's AB is equal to how much? That's twice of BD. BD is the shorter leg. So AB hypotenuse is twice of the shorter leg and the longer leg is root 3 times the shorter leg. So I'm going to first write this down. That's AB is equal to 2 times BD. So that's AB is equal to 2 times root 3 because BD is given to us. So we have got AB. That's 2 root 3. Okay, so now next we have AD. AD is root 3 times the shorter leg. Shorter leg is BD. So AD is equal to root 3. Longer leg is root 3 times. Hypotenuse is twice the shorter leg. So longer leg is root 3 times the shorter leg. So root 3 times the shorter leg is again root 3. So root 3 the whole square. AD is equal to 3. Okay, perfect. So you have got AD. That's equal to 3. Okay. Now again, next thing what we are going to do is in triangle BCD. Now we're going to move on to next triangle, that is BCD. That's again 30, 60, 90 triangle. Okay, in this BD is equal to, now which is the shorter leg, which is the longer leg? BD or CD? CD is the shorter leg and BD is the longer leg. So BD is equal to root 3 times CD. BD is equal to root 3 times CD. So we are going to just substitute back. Root 3 is equal to root 3 times CD. So CD is equal to 1. Root 3 divided by root 3. So your shorter leg, the length of the shorter leg is 1 here. Okay, so now what about BC? Now this is the longer leg, shorter leg. Now this is the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse twice the shorter leg. So it's just going to be 2 multiplied by 1. That's equal to 2. Simple. Now it's easier for you to calculate the perimeter of a triangle. Perimeter is just adding all the sides, AB plus BC plus CA. So we have AB. I'm going to write this down here. AB is 2 root 3. 2 root 3 plus you have 2 plus 3 plus 1, 4, and that's equal to 2 root 3 plus 4 plus 2 is 6. So you have 2 root 3 plus 6. That's your answer, B. Okay, let's see another special triangle. Okay, in this figure above, AB is equal to 6, BC is equal to 8, and CD is equal to 5. What is the length of AD? So you have been given 4 options. So as we have learned the 3 rules, 2 special right triangles and 1 Pythagoras theorem, I want you all to try this out and write the correct answer in the comment section. Okay, so if you all like this session, guys, please do comment it in the comment box. Your comment means a lot. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Take care.